Hello students, let us do question number 19, MCQ of chapter 15.1. Okay, this is question number 1 of 19. The length of diagonal of a square is 12 root 2 centimeter. The area of square is, so we are given 4 options. We are asked to choose the correct from these 4 options. Okay, let us first understand this question. So we have a square here and length of the diagonal is 12 root 2 centimeter. This is given. Length of the diagonal of this square is given. We are asked to find the area of this square. Okay, so to find the area of the square we need side, isn't it? First we have to find the side of this square. Since length of the diagonal equal to 12 root 2 centimeter. This is given, isn't it? So what is the formula for length of the diagonal? Root 2 into side. Okay, this is the formula for length of the diagonal of a square, equal to 12 root 2 centimeter. Let us not write the unit. Okay, or from this equation we can find the side of this square. 12 root 2 we have here. This root 2 will go to the denominator by cross multiplication. This root 2 and root 2 cancels out. Therefore side of this square is 12 centimeter, isn't it? 12. Now we can find the area of this square, okay, because we know the side. 12, 12, 12 and 12. All sides are equal to each other. Therefore area of the square equal to, the formula for area of a square is side square, isn't it? So what is side? Side is 12. 12 square. 12 square is 144 square centimeter. This is the area of this square whose diagonal is 12 root 2 centimeter, isn't it? So which one is the correct option? Option B is the correct one, isn't it? 144 square centimeter. Okay. Question number 2 of 19. If the area of square is A1 square units and the area of square drawn on the diagonal of that square is A2 square units, then the ratio of A1 is to A2 is, we are given 4 options. We are asked to choose the correct one. Okay, so let us first understand this question. We have a square here. Area of this square is A1 square unit. Okay, and this is the diagonal of this square. This is the diagonal of this first square. Okay, we are asked to draw another square whose each side is equal to the diagonal of the first square. Now we have another square and the side of this square is equal to the diagonal of the first square. So area of this new square is given A2 square unit. We are asked to find the ratio of the areas of first square to the second square. Okay, now let each side of first square equal to A unit. I am supposing each side of this first square is A unit. Okay, A unit. This is A unit. So area, that is A1, equal to side square, isn't it? That is A square unit. And length of the diagonal is, length of the diagonal of first square equal to, length of the diagonal is root 2 into A, isn't it? Root 2 into A. Root 2 into side, side is A because each side of the first square is A, so root 2A. Root 2 into A is root 2A. Okay, root 2A unit. This is the length of the diagonal of the first square, but this is the each side of second square, isn't it? Therefore side of second square equal to root 2A, isn't it? Therefore area of second square area of second square, area of square is given by the formula side square. So side of the second square is root 2a. So root 2a square. Okay. So area of the second square is a2. This is given. a2 square unit is the area of second square. a2 equal to, so square of root 2 is 2. Root 2 square means root 2 square. Okay, means 2 to the power 1 upon 2. If we change this root to the power, this becomes 1 upon 2 into this is 2. 2 and 2 cancel, so 2 to the power 1 is 2. So root 2 square is 2. A square is a square unit. Okay, square unit. Similarly, this is also a square unit. Square unit. Area is a square, square unit. This is the area of the first square and this is the area of the second square. Now ratio of areas. Ratio of areas. Ratio of areas. That is A1 is to A2 equal to, what is A1? A1 is a square, is to, what is A2? A2 is 2a square. This a square cancels out. So we have 1 is to 2. A1 is to A2 is 1 is to 2. So which one is the correct one? Option A. Okay, this is the correct option. Okay, now let us do question number 3 of 19. Okay, if a rectangular place of which length and breadth are 6 meter and 4 meter is desired to pave it with 2 centimeter square tiles, then the number of tiles required is, we have given 4 options, we are asked to choose the correct one, isn't it? First let us understand this question. We have a rectangular place here. Length of this rectangular place is 6 meter, okay, and breadth is 4 meter. Now we need to cover this rectangular place with tile of square shape, and each side of this square is 2 centimeter. Okay, each side of this square shape tile is 2 centimeter. If this is 2 centimeter, then this is also 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is also 2 centimeter. So the question is, how many number of tiles will be required to cover this rectangular length? Okay, how many tiles having each side 2 centimeter will be required to cover this rectangular piece of land? Okay, so what we do is, first we will make the unit similar. Here we have meter and here we have centimeter. So either we convert this meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. I am choosing to convert this meter to centimeter. Okay, you can choose to convert centimeter to meter. The answer will be same. Now what we do is, to solve this question, first we will find the area of this rectangular place. After that we will find the area of this each tile, and then we will divide the total area of the rectangular place divided by the area of one tile. That will give us the number of tiles required. Okay, so area of the rectangular place, equal to, length is 6 meter into breadth is 4 meter, isn't it? I am choosing to convert this meter to centimeter. So 6 into 100, because 100 centimeter equals 1 meter, isn't it? 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. That means if we want to convert meter to centimeter, we multiply with 100. Okay, 6 into 100 is 600. 600 centimeter. 4 meter means 4 into 100, that is 400 centimeter. 6 4s are 24. 1 2 3 4 zeros. 4 zeros. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay, so this is the area of this rectangular shaped land. Now let us find the area of each tile. Area of each tile, or the area of one tile, is, each side is 2 centimeter, isn't it? So area of each tile is side square, that is 2 square, that will give us 2 to the 4 square centimeter or 4 centimeter square. Now therefore required number of tiles will be equal to total area of the land divided by the area of one tile. So total area of the land is 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros divided by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? So 60,000 tiles. Okay, so which one is the correct option? Oh, we do not have the correct option here, isn't it? So let us put, this is wrong option, so we put 2 zeros here. 60,000. Option C is the correct option. Okay, printing mistake. Question number 4 of 19. Okay, if a square and a rectangle having the same perimeter and their areas are S and R respectively, then we are given 3 options. We are asked to choose the correct one. Okay, area of square is given S and area of rectangle is R. Okay, and it is given that the perimeter of square and the perimeter of rectangle are equal. This is also given. So let us solve this question. First, let the side of square equal to a unit. Okay, then area is S. Area of square is given S. Area will be side square, that is a square unit, isn't it? Now perimeter will be, perimeter is 4 into side, because all sides of a square are equal, this and this. So if this is a, perimeter will be 4 into a, isn't it? 4 into side is a, so 4a unit. We have a rectangle also, so let the length and breadth of rectangle be L and B respectively. Okay, I am supposing the length of the rectangle is L unit, okay, and breadth of this rectangle is B unit. So the area will be, area is R, isn't it? Area R will be length into breadth, a square unit, isn't it? And perimeter, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. If we add up all 4 sides, we get perimeter. So L plus L is 2L, B plus B is 2B, L plus this B plus this L plus this B. So L plus L is 2L plus B is 2B. We take 2 common, L plus B. Okay, so the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B, isn't it? But it is given in the question that the perimeter of square and rectangle are equal. That means perimeter of square is 4a. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Both the perimeters must be equal. So 4a must be equal to 2 into L plus B, isn't it? Or a equal to 2 L plus B upon this 4 will go to the denominator. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now let me continue this side. A equal to L plus B upon 2. L plus B upon 2. So area of square from this equation, area of square is area of square is S. S is A square, isn't it? Area of square is S and S is A square. So A is L plus B upon 2. So we can write L plus B upon 2 square. A square, isn't it? Area of square is A square. So A is L plus B upon 2. So L plus B upon 2 squared. L plus B whole square divided by square of 2 is 4 square unit. We are asked to choose whether S equal to R or S is greater than R or S is less than R, isn't it? So to find whether S is greater than R, less than R or equal to R, we have to see this equation. Area of rectangle, that is R, and area of square, that is S. Okay. Now L into B and L plus B square upon 4. These two terms. Okay, we will compare these two terms, which one is greater, and after that we can easily say R is greater or S is greater. For that, let us suppose the value of L and B separately two conditions. Okay, in first condition L is suppose 3 and B is suppose 5. Okay, so R will be L into B. L is 3 into B is 5. That will give us 15, isn't it? Now in the same case, when L is 3 and B is 5, when we put the value here, area of square S will be L plus B, that is 3 plus 5 whole square by 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 square is 64 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 5 6. 4 6 are 24. So we got S equal to 16. When L was 3 and B was 5, we got R is 15. R means area of rectangle, 15 square unit. In the same case, when L was 3 and B was 5, we got S equal to 16 square centimeter. This clearly indicates that S is greater than R, isn't it? Let us take another example. Let us consider L equal to, we can choose any number, okay? L equal to 4 and B equal to 6. Or you can say L equals 6, B equal to 4. Okay? Generally, we consider length is longer than breadth, isn't it? Length is more than breadth. So we consider L equal to 6 and B equal to 4. So in the first case, R, that is area of rectangle, R equal to length to breadth, that is 6 into 4. This will give us 24 square units, isn't it? And area of square, that is S equal to L plus B square by 4, that is 6 plus 4 square by 4, isn't it? So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 squared is 100 by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 10. 4 5s are 20. So 25. 4 25s are 100. 25 square unit. When length is 6, breadth is 4. Okay. In both the cases we have checked, R is 24 square unit and S is 25 square unit. That means for same values of L and B, the value of R is smaller than the value of S, isn't it? Which means when the perimeters of a square and a rectangle are equal, then the area of a square will be greater than the area of a rectangle. Okay? Area of a square will be greater than the area of rectangle. So area of a square is S, greater than area of rectangle R. Okay? So S is greater than R. This is conclusion. You can check with another numbers as well. Okay? So option B is the correct one. Question number 5 of 19. Okay? If the length of diagonal of a rectangle is 10 cm and area is 62.5 square centimeter, then the sum of their length and breadth is, we are given 4 options. We are asked to choose the correct one. Okay? So let us first understand this question. So this is a rectangle. Length and breadth are not given, but the diagonal of this rectangle is given, that is 10 centimeter, and area is also given. Area is 62.5 square centimeter. Okay. Length and breadth are not given, so we will suppose length as L and breadth as B. Okay. Let length equal to L and breadth equal to B centimeter. Okay. Area, since area is given to us, area of the rectangle is 62.5 square centimeter. Area of rectangle 62.5 square centimeter. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B, isn't it? Length is L and breadth is B. L into B equal to 62.5 square centimeter. Okay, this is equation 1. Now we have the length of diagonal of this rectangle. Okay, we know the formula for length of diagonal of a rectangle. If this is 90 degree, this becomes hypotenuse. We can use Pythagoras theorem. H square equal to P square plus B square, isn't it? Since length of diagonal is given to us, length of diagonal is 10 centimeter, isn't it? 10 centimeter. So the formula for length of diagonal of rectangle is root under length square plus breadth square, that is 10. Okay, or L square plus B square equal to 10. We have in the right hand side 10. We take this square root to the right hand side, this becomes square on the other side. Okay, or L square plus B square equal to square of 10 is 100. Now we can assume this as A and this as B. So A square plus B square. Formula for A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB, isn't it? Or L square plus B square is L plus B whole square minus 2LB, okay, equal to 100. Or L plus B whole square minus this 2 we write here LB. LB is L into B. L into B is LB, that is 62.5. So LB is 62.5 equal to 100. So let me continue this side. L plus B whole square or L plus B whole square minus 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5, 2 6 are 12. So we have a decimal point before one digit, we put this decimal point before one digit, okay, equal to, we have 100 in the right hand side. Or L plus B whole square equal to 100. 0 have no value after decimal point, okay, so we consider 125 only. This minus 125, if we take to the right hand side, this becomes plus 125, okay. L plus B equal to 100 plus 125 is 225. Now if we take this square to the right hand side, this becomes a square root. Or L plus B equal to square root of 225 is 15, okay. Square root of 225 is 15, because 15 into 15 is 225, isn't it? So we were asked to find sum of their length and breadth, isn't it? So sum of length and breadth means length plus breadth is 15, okay, 15 centimeter. Now which one is the correct option? So we can see option B is the correct option, isn't it? So this is the last question from MCQ. Okay, stay tuned and God bless you all. Thank you.